Okay, welcome to Superheroes Bootcamp. No, Superheroes Restaurant channel. Thank you. So I introduced today for my another specialty. It's a frozen DIY style, DIY frozen food. This one is for the maker for the pork yakiniku, like a marinated pork meat, sliced meat with the onion. So this is a you have to cook it, but for the DIY. And then these are frozen. This time the defrost. I don't use for the microwave. I don't use any. Like you can keep for the one night to the fridge and then defrost. Yeah, this one. Okay, so let's cooking. So I'm using for today cabbage, 1/4, and then this red carrots. No, red pepper, baby red pepper sweet. And onions. Yeah, I use maybe half is good enough. So let's cutting. Yes, so it's a small one. Just take it out. Then I cut it just yeah, just bam for the wildy to the wild. Then take the seed. Take the cutting the seed. Okay, then just cut like a triangle. Okay, as always, heated the pan. Start medium heated, and then this is 1 tablespoon oil. Okay. So heat it, and a little bit before the little bit of smoke come up, and the fry pan is good temperature, it'll heat it. But not too high, because at least already marinated meat to use it. So too high is make it burnt. It's charcoal. Okay, onion first. For the shooting, I'm turn off the fan. So when you are home cooking, you need that for the fan. It's on. Okay. Then already marinated a good flavor. This is how we call it. You know Yakiniku, Japanese style barbecue sauce. So I marinated. I use at this time the shoulder. It's a pork. Also beef is also good. You know the beef in Japanese Kobe beef is very popular. But in Japan it's so original Japanese marble beef, different kind of beef is also local. It's a different, so good. Yeah. I prefer like a less fat meat. I like it. Like a 2A level. 5A is a 2 fat. Okay. So this is very cook easy. Yeah. So you don't need any seasoning because the sauce already marinated. If you want, maybe additional the black pepper even is maybe not salted, okay. But this time I use a lot of veggie, so maybe I addition to the maybe salt, pepper later on. Just only for the meat, you don't need to for the salt and pepper. So need to cook first. I say that not 100% cook to the meat, maybe 80%, and then mix the veggie, and then do pan saute, pan fry. Yeah, you see. After that, flip out. Okay, then there's our all in. Yeah, I will try to eat. And a little bit add the salt. Yeah, timing with maybe cabbage, little bit cook, after cook, maybe softer, and then it's done. Yeah, just I open the package and then just pan fry the pork and then mix the veggie. That's it. Yeah. If you like a spicy, maybe spicy chili in on top, or like a black pepper, add it. Yeah, depend on what you like. Yeah, almost done. So now that takes already 4 minutes. Almost done. Yeah. Even you can go to the outside park to the camping or barbecue, also those things to the yard. Yeah, bring the my special sauce, my new pork yakiniku, bring it on, and then make charcoal in the pan. That's it, done. So tastes good. Already smells good. Muy bueno. Nice, good. Okay, done. Okay. So, here. Yeah, too much. Hey, omochi! Hey, omochi! Ta-da! So, already finished. We are using for the Hiro's yakiniku pork. Pork yakiniku with veggie. It's already tastes so looks like good and it smells so good. I'm hungry, but I'm so much like a 2 months baby or 3 months baby. So I stop eating. Otherwise, my wife will stop the eating. Yeah. Beat. Okay, thank you for watching. So see you next video. Bye. Please subscribe.